Hello everyone, my name is Allison Daly. I am 26 years old and I live in Old Saybrook, Connecticut. It's a little small town in southern Connecticut, right on the mouth of the Connecticut River. I will be moving to Portland, Maine in the next few weeks, which I'm really excited about, and I'll talk a little bit more about that later. So a little bit more about me. I am one of 6 kids, so I'm part of a big family. I am also one of triplets, so we are the last 3, the youngest. So I have a triplet sister and a triplet brother. And we all are really close and we have a lot of fun together. We had a lot of fun together growing up, so that's always been cool. In my free time, I like to run. I like distance running. I enjoy biking and hiking, and I really also enjoy baking. That's something I've been getting into the last few years, and I really enjoy that. So a little bit more about what got me into this program. So I graduated from the University of Connecticut in 2017 with my bachelor's in allied health sciences. And since then, I've been working in patient care, both in the emergency room and urgent care settings, which has been really cool. I really enjoy patient care. It's been definitely interesting through COVID, with all of the new protocols and everything, that it was, especially in the beginning, not having the proper PPE and trying to navigate that situation was interesting, but through it all, I've still really enjoyed the patient care aspect. But with my bachelor's and with my patient care experience, I kind of became more interested in disease prevention and health promotion, as well as public health research. So that's kind of what got me into this program, which I've been really enjoying, and I've learned a lot. So and that's also what's kind of got me into this new job that I'll be starting in Maine. So it's going to be a research coordinator position at the Maine Medical Center Research Institute. So it's kind of one project as that's part of this large grant. So this program or project will be trying to improve cardiac arrest outcomes in Maine, specifically in rural Maine. So they'll be getting data from a lot of the different hospitals and looking at different treatment outcomes. So I think that'll be a really cool and interesting project to be a part of, and definitely going to be a new environment for me to be working in and learning in. So it's going to be a big change, but I'm really, really excited about it. And I'm really excited also to be moving to Maine. It's somewhere that I've been visiting frequently over the last 3 or 4 years, and I've always really loved everything that it has to offer. And so I'm really looking forward to that. And that's pretty much, it's a little bit about me. I've really enjoyed watching some other introduction videos, and I'm looking forward to learning with all of you and learning more about public health administration. Thank you.